Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel NapturallyCoily. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. In today's video, I'll be doing the LCO method. Some people like to do the LOC, but I'll discuss that in this video and why I do the LCO method. And this video is also actually a third part to the unnamed informal series. If you guys look at the previous video, it was a wash day video, but before that it was a pre-poo video. So I did the pre-poo video to show my preparation for wash day, and then I did a wash day video with the NYU Cosmetics shampoo and conditioner bar, which I also pre-pooed with the Amina bar. So if you guys want to learn more about those products, definitely be sure to check out those videos, in addition to how I use them to pre-poo and why I use it to pre-poo. So currently I am using my fingers to detangle each part. My hair is still pretty detangled from wash day, which is why I keep it in the 4 parts. And as you guys can see, I'm just using my fingers to search for any knots on any strands, etc, etc. Now this is great if you have hair like mine where your ends hug each other. Y'all listen, the ends of my hair are in love. They hug each other. So finger detangling helps me to retain length, and that's pretty much what I'm working on right now. So if you want a full video on finger detangling, be sure to comment below and let me know, and I'll work on that for you guys. But as we proceed, I sprayed the water. All that's in the spray bottle is water, and I sprayed that on half of the section of the already parted section. So you guys say I have my hair in 4, and then I'm also dividing each section as I go through it into 2 and working with it like that. That just helps make it more manageable for me. So quick tip, definitely let me know if that works for you guys as well. And then I add the leave-in. Now in this case, my leave-in is the Mielle leave-in conditioner. Be sure to check out my blog for a review on this product, and if you want the link for my blog, it's simply www.NapturallyCoily.com, or look in the description for more details. I also added oil, and that was the last step that you guys saw me do. And now I am using my fingers and just really making sure that the inner part of the portion of hair is also moisturized. And listen, y'all, your fingers are your friend. So that's what I'm doing right there, working my fingers through my hair, and then I'm going to, as usual, put it in a twist so that we can get it out of the way. The LCO method is one of the most efficient ways that you can keep moisture in natural hair. In my case, having 4C hair, I swear by the LCO method, y'all. Some persons do the LOC method. However, I prefer the LCO method, and I will explain why. So the L stands for liquid. Some persons consider it to be better to use leave-in. So the L stands for liquid for some and leave-in for others. And it acts as a moisturizer in this method. Personally, I use water as my liquid. I've never done it with a leave-in because the cream would be too similar. And I have explored the difference between cream and leave-in. Be sure to check out that blog over on my website. And ironically, I will be using the leave-in in this process. But the L for me is water. And in the first step, I sprayed my hair with water, and the liquid actually opens the hair's cuticles. The purpose is to ensure that my strands can retain the products from the following steps. Remember, the overall goal is retaining moisture. The cream, the C. In this case for me, I used a leave-in conditioner as opposed to a cream, quote unquote cream. And I prefer to do this because of the type of moisture that I am seeking to add to my hair right now. So I will be styling my hair, and not a complicated style, but still I will be adding gel to my hair. So I moisturize my hair a little different when I am, let's say, going to put it in braids as opposed to when I am going to style it. So I went ahead and I used the Mielle leave-in conditioner. Lastly, I used the oil. And oil is the final step. And for me, it's important that it be the final step because it is used to seal moisture in the hair. So for me, if I put it on before I put on the cream, how are the creams getting to penetrate the hair strands properly? Because y'all got to remember, oil is not one of the top products to penetrate the strands of the hair. While some of them do, like very few of them actually do, oils usually sit on the outside of the strand, and therefore it acts more as a sealant. So that is why, and to be clear, sealant. And that is why I prefer to do the LCO method than the LOC method. However, whether you do the LOC method or the LCO method, depending on your hair type, you have to find out what works best for you and helps you to accomplish this goal. I do have an old video on here with more information about the LCO method. Click the top right corner and check it out. I really appreciate you guys. Thank you for watching. Hit the subscribe button. Mwah. Bye.